Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in wa man tabi'ahum bi ihsanin ila yawmiddin amma ba'd. My dear brothers, today we will learn a little bit more, some tidbits inshallah about Arabic grammar. In the previous class we had studied about kana and its sisters. So in this class we will be looking into some functions of inna, okay, inna, and we will learn what are its sisters. We'll just learn the functions of inna and we will learn what are its sisters. So inna, my dear brothers, is used to add stress to a sentence. Inna means verily or surely. Inna, it comes in the beginning of noun based sentences, jumla ismiya, nominal sentences, okay. And remember that in Arabic there are two types of sentences, jumla ismiya and jumla fi'liya. Jumla ismiya are sentences which start with a noun, okay. Ar-rajulu jamilun, rajul is a noun. Allahu ghafurun rahimun, Allah is a noun. So these are called jumla ismiya. Jumla fi'liya, they start with a fi'l, with a verb. Jumla fi'liya, they start with the verb, with an action. Like daraba zaidun hamidan. So it starts with daraba, with beat. So beat is an action. And inna comes before jumla ismiya, the nominal type of sentences, sentences which begin with the noun. So now, how does inna function in a sentence? Let us begin quickly inshallah. Now, see, this is the sentence I had presented to you. Allahu ghafurun rahimun. Okay, in this, note that in the end of all of these words you have a dhamma, that is, it is a marfu condition. Allahu ghafurun rahimun, dhamma, dhammatain, dhammatain. If you divide Allah and ghafurun rahimun into parts of the sentence, Allah becomes mubtada and ghafurun rahimun becomes khabar, okay. Please note the spelling of mubtada. Mubtada is not as it is spelled in this picture, okay. It is actually mubtada'u, okay, with the alif, with the hamza, okay, mubtada'u, okay. This spelling is erroneous here. Allahu is mubtada, the spelling is mistaken, okay. Allah who is mubtada, ghafurun rahimun is khabar, ghafurun rahimun is the khabar. Now if you add the inna before it, if you add the inna before it, now look into this picture, it becomes inna allaha ghafurun rahimun. Allah, it was Allahu, it was marfu', it was having a dhamma. When you added inna, it became inna allaha ghafurun rahimun. Ghafurun rahimun remains in the same condition, okay. And Allah and ghafurun rahimun, Allah who was called mubtada and ghafurun rahimun was called khabar. After inna is added, Allah will be called ismu inna and ghafurun rahimun will be called khabru inna. Like when we studied kana, the mubtada and khabar which came after kana, it was called after that, after kana was added, it was called ismu kana and khabaru kana. Yes, remember? May Allah reward all of you. So Allah, Allahu will become mansoob, and before it was marfu', before it was Allahu, now it became Allah ha. So inna Allaha ghafurun rahimun. Okay, just for a revision, if I would have added kana for Allahu ghafurun rahimun, if I would have added kana, what would have happened? Kana Allahu ghafuran rahiman. Kana acts opposite to inna. Kana and its family, they act opposite to inna. Yes, In that, the ismu kana will be the same, kana Allahu, but the khabaru kana will become ghafuran rahiman. That's why I told you that if you have learned the function of kana, inna is just opposite to that, and it is double easy. Yes? Okay. So let us look into some other examples, some easy examples, inshallah. Look into this example. Allahu Shakirun Alimun. Allah is the mubtada, Shakirun Alimun is the khabar. If you put inna before that, it becomes Inna Allaha Shakirun Alimun. And this Allah will be called Ismu Inna, and Shakirun Alimun will be called Khabaru Inna. Now yes, you can see the change now. Inna Allaha Shakirun Alimun. Yes. Similarly, for another example, Allahu Sami'un Alimun. What will happen if we add inna there? Think in your mind. Answer yourself. What will happen? Yes. I hope you have answered this. It will become Inna Allaha Sami'un Alimun. Yes, Inna Allaha Sami'un Alimun. So, inna, it makes its ism mansoob from marfu'. That is, it makes it fatha, and before when it makes it fatha from dhamma. So, Allahu becomes Allaha. Now, take this example. Al-insanu fi khusrin. Al-insanu fi khusrin. So, al-insanu is mubtada. Fi khusrin is what? Khabar. Okay, now see, actually it should have become khusrun. Okay, al-insanu khusrun. A human being in loss. Okay, but it became khusrin because of fi. Fi makes it kasra, right? So, al-insanu, it will not be fi khusrun. Al-insanu fi khusrin. Because of fi, that khabar became kasra. It got two kasra. Jar majroor. Fi is jar and khusrin is majroor. There are some particles which give a jar, which make it bring a kasra in what follows, in the word which follows them, like fi, ila, min, ala, like fi khusrin, ala khusrin, ila khusrin. So if fi, min, ila, ala and some other words of this type are there, it will make the word in front of them from khusrun to khusrin. Okay, so don't worry about that. Understand why it has become khusrin from khusrun. Al-insanu fi khusrin. Now if I put an inna there, it becomes innal insana fi khusrin. Inna is okay, so inna is added now. So al-insana is the ismu inna, and fi khusrin is the khabru inna. Okay, now just like we had memorized the other sisters of kana, you have to memorize the sisters of inna. Okay, la'alla. Okay, la'alla, ka'anna, anna, lakinna. La'alla, ka'anna, anna, lakinna. Write all of these. Write all of these and learn them, inshallah. Okay, write all of these 3 times and learn them. La'alla, ka'anna, anna, lakinna. These act the same way like inna. Okay, we'll learn more about the different ways in which inna changes. Okay, right, like inni. Okay, like inni, inna. Okay, and all those things. We'll study that later, inshallah, or we'll study it in the Arabic classes. So yes, all of these pictures that I got, these are a courtesy of a YouTube channel called Arabic Rules. A very good Arabic channel, alhamdulillah. And I got these notes from them, alhamdulillah. Okay, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward them. So I took these from there. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward them. And yes, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward all of you for listening to me patiently. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.